The FAFREES FM8 electric bike is a stylish and high-performance 27.5-inch e-bike designed for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike. Combining sleek design with advanced technology, the FM8 features a 250W mid-drive motor powered by a 36V 14.5Ah integrated 2 battery, delivering a smooth and efficient ride with the top speed of 25 km per hour and an impressive range of 100 to 120 km on a single charge. Its active geometry and low-step frame ensure a comfortable and lively riding experience, perfect for navigating city streets or embarking on longer journeys. Whether you're running errands, commuting, or exploring, the FM8 is built to provide a seamless and enjoyable ride. At the heart of the FM8 is the ANANDA mid-drive motor with a torque sensor, which maximizes power output and creates a natural, traditional biking feel. This motor works in harmony with the bike's gears to deliver higher efficiency and extended range, offering up to 70 Nm of torque for effortless acceleration and the ability to keep up with traffic. The integrated battery is both removable and lockable, ensuring easy charging and security, while maintaining the bike's sleek, streamlined appearance. Its hidden design not only enhances waterproofing, but also adds to the bike's aesthetic appeal, making it a perfect blend of style and functionality. The FM8 is equipped with a mid-mounted LCD display that provides real-time metrics such as speed, power, and pedal assist level. It also features app control, allowing you to sync your phone for added connectivity, and even charge your device via a concealed USB port. This smart integration ensures you stay informed and connected throughout your ride. Additionally, the hydraulic suspension fork with 100 mm of travel distance offers superior comfort and stability, adapting to rough pavements and varying road conditions with ease. The lockout adjustment feature allows you to customize the suspension softness or firmness to suit your preferences. For precise and reliable performance, the FM8 boasts the Shimano Altus 9-speed shifting system, ensuring smooth and responsive gear changes. Paired with Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, the bike delivers exceptional stopping power, reducing braking distance and reaction time for enhanced safety. The CST 27.5-inch by 2.25-inch tires provide excellent slip resistance and friction, while STVZO-compliant bike lights ensure visibility and safety during night rides. The ergonomic leather saddle, supported by durable steel rails, offers a comfortable and confident riding position. Practicality is also a key feature of the FM8, with fully stretched fenders, a custom-made rear rack, and integrated LED lights adding to its versatility. The rear rack, supported by an internal steel frame, allows you to carry essentials with ease while staying protected from dust and dirt. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or embarking on an adventure, the FAFREES FM8 electric bike combines performance, comfort, and style to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. It's the perfect choice for those seeking a reliable, efficient, and stylish e-bike for urban and recreational use.